Are we live?
Yeah, what's up?
What is up?
What's poppin', everyone? So today we're just going to be streaming this last hour of the trading session, and we just got back from the gym and everything, and now our plays went very well today. We're just going to wait for a few people to get in here.
I'll go shout it out in the Discord real quick.
Yeah.
Are we live? Yeah.
People are just seeing us now, so.
Let me just copy link.
So what's up? Who's in this chat? Is there anyone? Oh, shoot.
Oh, you gotta pull the chat?
No, I have to. For this thing, I have to get rid of the thingy. Alpha red.
Paste. Let me just.
There you go.
At everyone.
All these people in here about to join the stream, hopefully.
Bloop.
What's up, 8 people in here? Let us know who is here from the Discord. Is this your first time being into YouTube?
Let us know.
But yeah, what we're doing today is basically just going over our plays that we made this week, going over plays we made today, talking about what we're doing live and kind of our thought process behind things. So yeah.
And if you have questions, let us know in the chat. We're always willing to...
And you can see here, Spy just took a really big green candle.
Looks like Dingus Floppa is saying, "Hi, you okay, bro? You guys shout me out, bro. Shout me out."
Hi, you okay, bro? You okay, bro?
Hey, bro, stop spamming. Or we gonna ban you. Don't spam. Rachel Hughes says, "Hi, what's up, Rachel Hughes? Good to see. Can you hear me? Well, we can read your."
Let me see. I'll pop out this chat.
Yeah, we'll get a little chat pop out. There we go. Nice.
Dingus Floppa, yeah. What's up, Rachel Hughes?
Yeah.
Are you guys from our YouTube or from our Discord? Let us know. But yeah, I'll tell you what we're seeing with Spy right now. So I'll let you know. Oh, we have 25 people in here.
Dang, what's up, everybody? Hey, if you guys have questions, let us know in the chat. Write about any plays that are going on, stocks you want us to look at. Anything like that, we'll take a look and see what we can do for you.
Yeah, but basically, I'll go through what my thought process was today.
I'm talking about Dingus.
Yeah, stop. Discord gang, what's good? Did you just delete it? Or, oh, okay.
No, I just timed him out.
Mom's old account.
You gotta chill, Dingus. Either way, but
so
yeah.
Here we were with the with our Discord play today. So I alerted. We'll go over the free play. QQQ puts. So let's go to QQQ. And I'll tell you what I saw. So many alerts out. Okay, QQQ. So basically, overall on the macro trend, I saw that we were below all of our MA lines. This is a very basic day trading strategy that you guys can use if you want. And basically, if it's below, if the price of whatever you're looking at is below all of the MA lines, most likely that's going to be a trend in the wrong direction and a bearish trend. And if you see that, and then at the start of the day, like today, you see a lot of green coming in. And once you see that first red candlestick, you can do it on the 30-minute interval or the 5-minute interval. Once you see that first red candlestick right here, you pretty much know that it's going to continue bearish because overall the macro trend is bearish. So that's what I saw this morning. I saw that we started in the green, and I figured personally that we would continue in this bearish macro trend. So I decided to take a position on QQQ, and we alerted that in the free section of our Discord at 90 cents. I believe it topped out
81% though.
I believe it topped out in the 100%. I didn't sell at that. Yeah, it topped out at $1.95. So we did over 100% with that play. But obviously I took profits at about 81%. Can't time the top of the market every time.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's basically what we saw with QQQ. We're seeing some, green to end the day. However, I already took profits on both my plays today, so I'm happy about 80% on both that and then my other play that was in premium.
Exactly, which we can't necessarily discuss because you guys have to join premium. We want to make sure that the premium members still get obviously the benefits that come with being in premium.
Yeah, if you guys are in our free section of our Discord, I'm sure you see these alerts all the time, and I'm on the computer, so it's got to scroll down. But you guys can see here the type of gains we're getting every single day. This is daily for me. I try to put out the alerts. Obviously, we blur out what the alerts were. But I mean, we're doing these type of gains daily.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to upgrade, always just go to this upgrade chat link right here, and you'll be able to get access with either our monthly membership or a yearly membership where you can save about 28%. But yeah, that's how you're going to get access to the premium. And you can also see our gains channel where our members put all of their gains that they're receiving as well.
They're doing very well as well.
But
If
yeah,
you guys have any questions, let us know in the chat about, trading, the stock market, anything like that. Let us know, and we'll see what we can do and help you guys out and do whatever else. For now, we're just kind of taking a look at the market. Honestly, not much is happening right now. It's kind of choppy at this point. We're kind of going up and down and not really showing a clear. I mean, it's still bearish as hell. Look at all those MA lines that pretty much all of the price action is like considerably below.
Yeah, if we zoom out macro, this is just still extremely bearish. It doesn't look like we have anything for a very long time. And personally, I see us at a pretty big support line at 268. If we are to break this over the weekend, we could see some drops in the area of 5 to 10 points in QQQ. So
yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah, I mean, if you just look at this MACD, a MACD is an indicator. We talk about it in our course a lot, but basically it's a trend indicator, and it's been trending down, as you can see, for a very long time. And the last time it bottomed out, it did bottom out at about 268. So that's where we are near right now, and we're below all the MA lines. Nothing to me has indicated that we will see any significant increase in QQQ or SPY personally.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm looking at. Oh, and we're like up 100% on QQQ and SPY.
Look at that. As we're making the freaking live stream, of course the plays are ripping. Let's go.
Yeah, you guys can, we'll switch to face cam here, and you can see how these plays that we made today. I'll cover our SPY put. Oh, wait. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, we gotta block it. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah, it's not like one of those automatic ones.
Yeah, no.
Damn, we're killing it.
Is
that your? Oh my God, they're blind.
What the heck?
You might be maxed out. Either way, it's 100%. Oh, Jesus Christ! Little technical difficulties here, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. We're coming back.
It's like what's it called in film class when they used to be like, "This is how you do macro."
Yeah.
But yeah, basically 100% gains on both of our plays today. So
it's beautiful. What can you do?
Well, my plays.
I got some swings.
You want to talk about your plays?
Well, I've got 2 in premium. I don't want to say what they are just because I don't want the free members to, not get plays that they're not supposed to have. But they're good.
You want to talk about your thought process about like how you were making plays today?
Yeah. Sure. So, pretty much what we talked about at the beginning of this stream was a lot of, moving off of market sentiment. And right now, market sentiment is obviously not very good, right? If you look at the overall markets in here, I'll pull up. Can you pull up the charts just real quick?
What?
Oh, no, on the live stream.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're on Facecam still. There we go. So either way, like I was talking about here, where if we kind of zoom in here on the micro scale and kind of what are we on the daily right here, it's just very, very bearish. And for the most part, what that means is likely in the intraday trading session, due to these MA lines being obviously pretty much surpassed altogether by the entire price action itself, which are these candlesticks, we're probably going to see more bearish momentum into the end of today, into market close. Now, the way that things are going to go on Monday, market open, which will be obviously next week, could be substantially different, right? We have to see about a lot of real world items that are going on right now. There's a lot of things going on currently with natural gas that could affect some of the market overall movement. There's a lot of things happening, of course, with Russia and Ukraine. Things are still going on in that part of the world, and just in general, as more things tend to start to happen on the global scale, that's typically what affects price action over the weekends. And what we're looking at right now more than ever is still a very bearish pattern. So that's kind of how I made most of my plays today was I just kind of traded off of sentiment and off of momentum. These are the plays that I'm currently in right now are swing plays, and I'm planning on basically swinging those over the weekend and into October because, of course, by the time market opens, it will be a new month. And everything like that. But that's basically what I've been doing. That's kind of my thought process behind how I've been trading recently.
Nice. Yeah. So, I mean, today, overall, over the past week, if you were in the Discord, you would know that we are trading mostly puts.
Yeah.
And
it's a put city.
And,
put city for sure.
you could see, like on the 30-minute time interval, you can see that there was... If you were just looking at the 30-minute time interval, you might think, oh, we might be trending bullish and we might even get above this MA line right here. But, however, if you take a deeper look into the macro of it, you can still see that we are deep in the in bearish. Like we're just bearish. If we do have a green day, there's always going to be a random green day here and there, maybe even two. But more times out of 7 times out of 10, if you trade puts, you're most likely going to be making money compared to calls. So, there might be that one day a week where we try to trade puts and then it does go green and everyone's like, wow, we're going bullish. No, we're not going bullish. If you wait on that, it'll come back.
Exactly.
So yeah, if do you guys have any questions?
Any questions, any like stocks you want us to analyze, anything like that? Literally at all, just hit us up in the chat and we'll read them.
Are you guys usually in a Discord call? No, we don't really do calls at all. If we do something like that, we would be in here.
We do have a Discord though. That is a.
I think he meant he's probably
like
from
actual
Discord.
like a live trading thing.
I mean,
this is the first time we've ever really done something like this. Maybe
Yeah.
we'll do it in the future. We have to kind of see how this one goes. But normally we don't do this. No, but we do have a Discord, and that is where we do a lot of our personal stock trades and things of that nature. We got about 28 people in here. If you guys got questions, let us know. Any advice for beginners in general? Well, there's a million things we could tell you, but what's the best place to start? You go. You might have something.
I would just say, first of all, get signed up with WeBull. Just because, if you're a beginner and you're going to be trading with your own money. Say you want to start out small and you want to start out with like $100, well, whatever you want to start out with. I think it's better to get some free stocks along with it, just because then you're also trading. You can sell those free stocks, whatever it is, and then you're trading kind of with house money at first. So if you lose that initial, because if you're a new trader, you're going to get scared. You might sell off, and then we might be celebrating our 100% gainer today, but you might have sold at like say 15% because you're scared you're losing all your money.
Yeah.
At least if you utilize these different free stocks that Robinhood, hello YouTube, that Robinhood and Webull are giving you, then what
this link right here.
Okay,
there's
cool.
the Webull link.
It's in the.
Just so you guys see it. That's how you get the free stocks. If you're wondering how you're supposed to get that, I think it's in the description as well.
Yeah, so I could put it in the chat.
We'll put it in the chat real quick.
But so if you use that, you can go get yourself some free stocks. But at least you're playing with a little bit of house money. You can get up to $30,000 worth of free stocks right there. But also some other beginning things. If you're in our alerts, you're taking our free alerts. Just make sure that you're not you're listening to when I'm calling out. Listening to what I'm saying, basically, like in free alerts, if I say something about, I think I'm averaging down, just make sure that you go to vocab and then like look up what all these different things like mean.
Yeah, if you're at all confused at any point when we say, or for instance, I think a big problem that I see a lot of new members get in here is they ask, I don't understand what the alerts mean, right? I don't understand, like, for instance, if we go to free alerts, I don't understand what Zach means when he says QQQ 271 put 930 90 cents. What does that mean? If you guys are ever at all confused about that, all you have to do is go to, of course, the vocab section, which is linked right here with free access, and you go right here. This breaks down exactly what we mean when we're talking about these types of plays, right? So buy to open, we don't really use that, but that's just kind of an extra thing. The ticker, right? So this is what the stock is, basically. That's the stock ticker, and that's how you would look it up on most brokerages. The expiration date of the actual option, that's an important part as well. The strike price of the option, which is important. We actually just type out typically call or put. We don't just put C or P. And then of course we have our price per contract or our average cost. That's pretty much the way that we do it, and that's one of the best ways that you guys can go in there and look at that and get an idea of what all of these means. Can you do a sample of an alert? You know you can type this in the chat in our stream, my guy. We got you.
Yeah.
Nobody's going to know what you mean, because what if there are people in the Discord who don't know what they're in? But either way. But yeah, that's some good beginner advice, I would say, in general. Do you have any suggestions for which trading platform to use as a Canadian?
Is
I don't
WeBull?
know. I don't think WeBull is. Seth, can you confirm or deny, is WeBull available in your country? If it isn't, I'm trying to think. There is.
Is Robinhood or no?
I don't think Robinhood is either.
Is
I'm trying to
Fidelity?
think.
TD.
No, it's like a weird
A lot of
exchange,
people
like,
think that we'll like know these exchanges, but we don't live there, so we
Yeah,
don't
we
really
don't really-
think about like
your
what.
best friend with that is going to be Google. I'm going to be honest.
Yeah,
it's going to be one of the best ways to go about
Google.
it. Somebody said, "Hey guys, do you think the first week of October will be bearish or bullish?"
Bearish for sure.
Yeah, absolutely
Yeah.
bearish. No, 100%.
I think we're gonna be bearish for a fat minute. That's why you see me calling out so many puts. Like if you just zoom it out personally, I mean, we had this insane run from
the week chart. We're like
from COVID to January. That's insane. That's not possible. And now, like, we had a bit of a run back up and people were a bit excited, but we are well below all of our moving averages, and we're about to break support on the only support that we had. So I mean, at this point, we're turning back down on the MACD, and we're not even like below 30 on the RSI. That means we're not even oversold yet. No. Things will get worse. I think that it'll probably bottom out somewhere around the 340 and 350 area, and then maybe we'll start to regain some of that bullish momentum. But until that happens, I'm still going to be going with a lot of bearish alerts.
A lot of puts for sure. But yeah, I don't think it's going to be at all bullish in October. It's probably going to be more bearish than anything. Hector Rodriguez says, what about TD Ameritrade? Yeah, the TD Ameritrade is a great option. That's something that Zach and I are both pretty familiar with using, and I like it. It's a good, it's a good
trading options. Personally, I just go with Robinhood and Webull.
Yeah, it's just very easy to understand the UI.
Some people might say that Robinhood's behind, it's slow,
right?
But it's by $1 or $2 on options. Like you might be able to get something that's worth $50, and they might be like, okay, well, you actually bought it at 51. Okay, yeah. Well, my alerts are going to go up much past that. I'm not really too worried about that.
Yeah, exactly. Interactive brokers for EU. Yeah, that's a good one for EU from what I've heard from our Discord members. And then if it's available in Canada, then maybe it's a good option there as well. Have you ever took a put like 5 days out and let it run all the way through? Well, yeah. I mean, yeah. If the trade is like planned that way, then yeah, I don't see why.
That's a swing, basically.
Yeah, that's a swing trade essentially. But again, you don't want to hold it all the way through just for the sake of holding it all the way through, right? You want to have a plan, right? And that's actually another kind of beginner point that I think we haven't talked about here a little bit, is that a lot of people enter into trades without a plan, right? They don't have a stop loss, they don't have a risk tolerance, they don't have really anything that they're kind of working off of as far as what their plan is on the trade, whether it goes the right way or the wrong way. Because here's the thing, you could be up 50 to 60 to 70%. We're talking about it in the Discord. Everybody's talking about it. Everyone's excited. Oh my God, this is awesome, whatever. And then all of a sudden, like, people start, scaling out of their positions, right? They're selling their contracts. But it, like, maybe, you think, oh, well, maybe they're wrong. Like, I'm going to hold it a little bit longer and see what happens. More oftentimes than not, those are the people who get wrecked, because either they get too greedy and they think that they can make more money by just holding it longer, or they sell too soon, right? And it goes the opposite way. So a big part of trading is having an actual, literally have a plan that you can move off of and trade off of, and have a little bit more discipline, because I think that will help you in the long run in general.
I can give you guys an update on how our position with QQQ that we were just talking about is going, and we're up 120% on QQQ.
Man, you guys got to join the Discord if you haven't already. Most of you probably in here are in the Discord to begin with, but either way, let's go.
And yeah, if you guys are interested in learning how we do this like in depth and how we exactly pick our trades, you guys are actually going to be able to do that with our course. And our course is 40% off until 11:59 p.m. tonight. So I'm sure if you guys are in the Discord, you've seen this going around. Basically, if you go to financebro.teachable.com. This is our course program, and you go to enroll now. I'm not sure if it'll let me do it because I'm probably signed in. And then you go to add coupon code, put fall40. You're gonna get $100 off. So if you guys are interested, you're gonna be able to get our course for 40% off. It's $100 off. We won't do this again.
All you gotta do is the discount code, right?
Yeah. Just make sure you do fall40 and do it exactly how I just did it, and you're gonna be able to get that discount code.
But yeah, so if you guys have been wanting to learn how to trade on your own, if you ultimately want to become a profitable, consistent trader, I really, really highly recommend our option course. We've worked on this for about a better part of a year now, and we did a lot of work to make sure that it was perfect for beginners and people who have experience trading already. It's overall, in my opinion, one of the best programs out there to get into at the moment. And with the 40% off discount, why wouldn't you not take advantage of this deal? I think it's a great option. And two, for however much it ends up being, right? I think it's like what, 145 or
149. Yeah.
149 now. Think about this, right? You pay 149. This is a one-time deal. You get the course forever. You do not have to pay for it. Again, you get lifetime access to all the material, everything that's in it, and then all you have to do basically is implement once you learn, and you can become a profitable trader, and eventually you make back that, all of the money that you spent on the course, which isn't even that much to begin with, in like a couple of trades, maybe even one trade, right? So I really recommend that you guys go check it out if you haven't already. I think it's a really great program, and it's something that we are very strongly passionate about, and something that we've built.
Yes, and very fleshed out, everything that you need to do, A to Z option course. But yeah, other than that, I mean, the end of this trading day, this week has been very profitable just because it's been a very put-centric week. And then the one day that we bought calls was the one day it was green. And I mean, if that doesn't show how good, we're doing and how amazing your time can be if you get that course, I don't know what will. Exactly. But I mean, yeah, the one day that we picked out a call, it was Starbucks. It was the one day that we were green. And it's just, it was this day I saw that we were going much above MAs, and I just decided, hey, that's
might as well go for
that's
it.
What I want to trade on today.
Absolutely.
I didn't see anything that told me, hey, we're going to be going back down today, so we made day trades. I'm not going to be swinging calls at any point. If you see a call in the Discord,
that is more than likely going to be a day trade.
That is going to be a day trade because I'm overall bearish on the market.
Yeah. No, the market is not doing well, and that's not something that I'm comfortable holding overnight for sure.
Not at all. You guys got any other questions for us?
Hector Rodriguez says, if you guys could restart over fresh, what would you have done differently? Probably trade less, trade with less percentage of my account. That was something I kind of learned about a year or two into trading, was that I was trading with too much money. And when you start doing that, you can get a little risky, get a little dangerous. What else?
That's a big thing that I think a lot of our Discord members, especially if you're in free chat and you're kind of new to trading, need to understand is that if you only have $100 in your trading account, that is not going to be enough to where you should be taking a trade with your whole account. Like, if you should be looking for trades like this one that I put out with Starbucks, where it's about $18, because say Starbucks goes down 50%, you're only going to be out $9. But if you take a trade, let's say DraftKings, that's $50, 50 cents, it's $50, and it loses, you're going to be out 50% of your account. You're going to be like, trading sucks. Like, so just make sure that, when you guys are trading, if you have a $100 account, make sure you're only taking the lower ones, so you have more of a chance to give yourself more of a chance to be profitable.
Absolutely.
If you have a $1,000 account, don't just start taking 3 plays in a day that are $150 and you're trading with half your account, because say that day we thought it was going to be red and it turns out green, you're going to be out like 40% of your account. So just make sure you trade with we like to say between 5 and 10% of your account, and on the high end 20%, but try to keep it below 20% of your account for any one play, and don't be trading with 60% of your account in all these different plays, because that's where you can get into over trading, and then you're going to blow up your account.
Yeah. It's all about risk management and just being careful with what you do. At the end of the day, it's very hard to not get emotional when you're trading, but at the end of the day, that's what obviously sets apart the profitable, successful traders from, well, people who aren't. Really.
Yep.
If you guys have any more questions about trading the stock market, any stocks that you're looking at right now, anything like that, let us know in the YouTube chat, and we will get around to answering them and answer them here on the video, on the live stream.
And just so you guys are aware, the QQQ put that I just gave an update on is now up 150%.
Oh my god!
So
we just can't lose, baby.
We are killing it. If you guys are still in free chat or free alerts, give Premium a try.
You guys got to give Premium a try, even 1 month. And from all of these alerts that we've done for free chat, you've definitely made enough for at least a month of Premium. So why not? Why not give it a try and see if you like it? If you don't like it, right, then you can cancel, right? You can cancel it anytime. It's not a big deal. But who knows? With Premium, we do a lot more attention to detail. We give a lot more, in my opinion, higher probability trades, right? Well, my voice killed it right there. My higher probability trades, right? So trades that we not only are much more consistent with, but also much more sure of the outcome of. With our free alerts, we do a lot of lotto plays. We do a lot of like 0 days till expiration plays, and those can get a little risky sometimes. Premium is a little bit more, what you might call, I guess, I don't even know, stable, I guess. I don't even know really what to say there, but in general, I think that Premium is a better deal than obviously free chat. It's a good way to get started in free, but I think ultimately you guys won't regret trying Premium even for just a month.
Yeah, definitely. But I think we'll probably just take a few more questions and then pretty much be done if you guys don't have any more questions. Is SPY the best to trade and master, or should you learn multiple stocks? I would say you should stick with SPY and QQQ, especially if you're learning.
Yeah.
If you get the course, I would say SPY and QQQ, if you start out with those, you're going to get a much better deal. Because you could see like a singular stock like get news, like say AMD is all of a sudden getting so many processors and it makes it go up 8%, and the market is down. Like the market they could have got good news and the market could just pull it down because the entire market is bearish, so people just start selling and waiting for it to come back bullish. So that's just something you guys need to think about, is basically starting out simple with SPY and QQQ, which is a smorgasbord of different stocks that is a little bit more predictable and easier to trade in terms of stock options.
Yeah, absolutely. Where do you get your news to know what to invest in? We don't really invest like that. The way we invest is much more based on technical analysis. I mean, news, like you could just go to Yahoo Finance, Wall Street Journal, like Bloomberg, any place like that, and they're gonna, give you updates on different things that are going on in the stock market. But in general, we just kind of trade mostly off technical analysis and overall market sentiment, right? That's kind of at the end of the day, the way that we conduct ourselves on there. Thoughts on Palantir over the next month or so? Palantir has not been doing well. I haven't looked at it technically from a technical standpoint a little bit, but we'll take a look right now and see what. Well, it's pretty bullish. I mean, on the 30-minute,
it's doing much better than I
would have expected
than the overall market.
Daily's not good. Daily's still pretty low.
No, this is much better than this. So this is the start of 2022, and they were at about $13, and now it's
interesting.
Some weird shit. But
this is an old school growth company. A lot of people used to.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's doing better than the market, so that's actually pretty good for them. But I would say
I'm not long, that's for sure.
I'm not investing in Palantir. Like I have been extremely conservative with my investing. I have a different account in Fidelity for investing. Very conservative there. I mostly just do a bunch of different Vanguard index funds. But when I'm trading, that's when I'm trying to make money and make it quick, and we do.
Yeah.
I'm not really trading Palantir, so I'm not investing in Palantir. There's a few single stocks I like investing in. Palantir is not one of them.
Yeah, me too as well. Do you trade SMC? Is that
No.
a ticker? I don't think we've ever traded that before. What would that be?
I don't
Smart
know.
meter systems. All right,
Yeah.
well, we've never heard of that before. What chart website is this? This is WeBull, which
is
you
WeBull.
can use the, is it the first or second link in the description, and you guys can get some free stock. Or it's linked in the chat. That works too.
It's in the description, or I will put it in the chat.
Exactly.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's our entire YouTube link. Oh no, that's the course link. That's the course link. But yeah, either way, wrap up these last couple of questions, guys, if you have any of them. Hey Matt59, I see you asking questions in premium chat.
Stop.
Just ask them in our YouTube chat, because then everything's all like consolidated in one place, and we can answer everything easier. Because we're not like looking at the Discord really like in the chats per se on stream right now. I saw that because it came through on the notification. If you're wondering why you can't chat, by the way, you have to hit the subscribe button, before you can do it. What are your trading styles? I don't just like anything that makes me money, right? I'm more of a day to swing trader, I guess. I'm not really much of a long-term investor unless it's like very.
Kyle does a lot more swing trades than I do. I do a lot more high risk, high reward stuff, day trades.
Yeah, absolutely.
I just really trade SPY, and it's been working out extremely well. And once we go bullish, then I'll start doing calls on SPY. But for now, I'm mostly doing puts on SPY, and just timing it very well. Personally.
Absolutely, yeah. How often do you go live, and do you ever do sort of like live classes? Well, this is the first time we've ever gone live for market close like this. As far as fall live classes, it might be something in the future. We would have to discuss about it, obviously.
We've talked about doing one-on-ones for teaching, if some of you might be interested on that, but that's not fleshed out or
we haven't
in
planned
the
that
future.
out in really any capacity.
But
it might be something.
We've talked about it before.
Yeah, we definitely have talked about it before. So if that does sound interesting to you guys, stay tuned because we'll see.
So yeah, if you guys want some free stocks and you're not on WeBull yet, you might as well try. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $30,000 worth of free stock with WeBull. It's in the chat. And then also, if you guys want to learn how to trade yourself, you're going to be able to do that with our Option Mastery Blueprint. That's going to be our A to Z options course that we have spent over a year creating, and it's how we trade. So if you guys want to learn how to do it yourselves, then go ahead and use that second link that I put in the chat, or it's also in the description.
Fall 40, that's the code.
Fall 40, you're gonna get. I'll show you guys once again. If you guys go to that link, you go to enroll now, and you just click on add coupon code and you put in fall 40. You're gonna get up to $100 off of our course, and we will not be putting this out again for a very long time.
So get in while you still can. It's an amazing tool, amazing resource. I think you guys really enjoy the content that's in it, and of course just the overall knowledge that we're trying to bring to you guys and help you guys out with. It's the best way to learn how to become a stock trader. It's the best way, in my opinion. It's better than watching a million of these videos or try ask us questions in the Discord. That's like the best way to do it. So check out the course. It's all linked everywhere.
Yep. Great day to end out the weekend. We're up 150% on both of our plays to end out the day, or both of my plays to end out the day. And I'm sure Kyle's up on his plays as well.
I think so as well.
As their puts. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Let us know if you have any questions in the Discord. We'll try to get to you guys. Join the Discord if you are one of our YouTube viewers.
Already. Yeah.
And we will see you guys another day.
Yes, another day.